Now you're going to do the second read of our complex text, Big 8 Identities. By now you should have already read it one time to get some of the main ideas and to get an introduction. Now, in our second read, you will get a more detailed understanding of our text. Here we go from paragraph 1. The Big 8 comprises 8 of the major identities that help us understand parts of who we are and where we come from. While this list is not all-encompassing, it gives us an opportunity to explore some of our social group memberships, many but not all of which we are born into. Understanding who we are and who others are helps us honor human dignity and create authentically inclusive spaces. In paragraph 2, we're going to read about our first of the Big 8 identities, age. This identity is about how people are categorized by society's perceptions of different age groups. For example, college students may be referred to as kids despite technically being adults and may be dismissed because of assumptions about this group's maturity level and capability. Other adults may also be discriminated against in employment or may be treated as children as they age. So our first question to make sure we understand the identity of age is how, in your own words, how are people categorized based on age? How are people categorized based on age? Good. My next question is, which of these aspects or identity markers are examples from age? In paragraph 3, we will read about ability. Ability. This identity is about the diverse array of differences in physical, mental, cognitive, developmental learning, and/or emotional makeup. It also includes mental health and the impact of social experiences such as trauma and surviving abuse. Paragraph 4, race. This identity refers to the concept used to classify humans based on perceived physical characteristics such as skin color, eye shape and color, hair texture, body shape and size, and other physical features. So again, first you're going to answer, how are people categorized based on this piece of identity, race? And also, what are some aspects or identity markers within race? Paragraph 5, ethnicity. While race classifies people based on perceived physical characteristics, ethnicity relates more to culture, such as sharing a common language, ancestry, national origin, and/or a variety of cultural beliefs. So now we have completed our second read of part 1. By now you should have a more detailed understanding of the text. If you need to revisit on your own time in order to understand, you may do so using the PDF.